Iran has its deadly missiles that shot down US RQ-4 Global Hawk drone. The KHORDAD-3, or what is also known as the Savam Khordad air defense system, is said to resemble the Russian-made Buk M2EK air defense missile system, as both systems have a similar layout, except the Iranian system uses only 3 missiles instead of the 4 used by the Buk M2EK. The KHORDAD-3 is equipped with an active phased array radar, which is said to be able to detect 100 targets at once and engage 4 targets simultaneously and guide 2 missiles on each target. The system can reportedly engage targets up to a range of 105 kilometers and an altitude of up to 30 kilometers. The KHORDAD-3 is famous for having shot down an American RQ-4 Global Hawk unmanned aerial vehicle in 2019 over the Strait of Hormuz, marking the first time an Iranian-made air defense system was able to successfully shoot down a hostile target. While the Morad missile system is meant for medium-range and medium-altitude air defense, it uses Shahin, Falcon, missiles which are reverse-engineered, domestically upgraded versions of the American MIM-23 Hawk surface-to-air missiles. According to Iranian media sources, the radar of the Morad system is capable of detecting a target at a distance of 150 kilometers, acquiring a lock on it from 80 kilometers away, and engaging it at a maximum distance of 45 kilometers. Furthermore, Iranian media outlets claim that the radar has been designed to detect low observable threats with a radar cross-section, RCS, of around 0.5 square meters from 110 kilometers away. As stated earlier, the latest video comes shortly after Iran revealed an underground Air Force base in the country's southern part, which goes by the name of RQ-4. This facility is said to be a first-of-its-kind underground Air Force installation for Iran. The Chief of Staff of the Iranian Armed Forces, Major General Mohammad Hossein Bagheri, said that the site would be among those used for responding to any potential strikes by Israel. Any attack on Iran from our enemies, including Israel, will see a response from our many Air Force bases, including RQ-4, Iran's Armed Forces Chief of Staff Mohammad Bagheri told Iran's official IRNA news agency at the time. The tactical airbase has been designed to house and prepare a variety of missions, including fighter jets, bombers, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. According to IRNA, the airbase would be home to fighter jets equipped with long-range cruise missiles. Iran did not disclose the base's location. However, the New York Times, NY Times, reported that the base is located in a mountainous area in Iran's southern Hormozgan province, around 161 kilometers north of the key Strait of Hormuz. The NY Times report said that the work on the site has been going on since 2013. However, it was decided recently that the underground facility would be used as an airbase, noting that runway construction did not begin until May 2021. The report by the NY Times, which examined images released by Iran and satellite images of the site, also uncovered a couple of clues that the base is being prepared for the arrival of new fighter jets.